I've already recorded like 2 videos. It's my second one.
They better see the last one's the biggest.
I really hope one of them, the next one is a planet, because I only got 1 planet on tape. And that was on YouTube.
Not look as good as camera.
Like on my camera, that pink one looked like it was red. But you think I'm still gonna record it? Yes. Whoa, turn off your brights. Dang.
How did this happen?
Yeah. The sky's like, it's all, yeah, the sky is literally lit up. Like, jeez. Ooh, that's a pretty purple one. But just Christmas. Bro, there's so many people coming over, and they're freaking missing half of it.
Wait.
Ooh, the sky is like lit up on that one. Oh my god. Turn off your brights. We're ruining the fireworks. It's like